How to uninstall PyCharm in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall PyCharm from your Windows 11 system. So for example, if you wish to or you have decided that you want to uninstall the PyCharm and you do not know how you can completely uninstall the PyCharm, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is simply follow the easy steps listed out in this tutorial. So the first thing that we will be needing to do is head on to the settings of our Windows computer. So to head on to the settings, simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen and right click onto this start button right here. Once you will do this, you can see this option of settings. So simply click onto this settings option and you will be landed onto the settings of your Windows 11 PC. Now from here you can see the apps tab on the left. So simply click onto this apps tab on the left hand side, and under the apps tab you have this option of installed apps. This also includes the setting for uninstallation and managing applications on your PC. So simply click onto this first installed apps option, and from here you can search for the name that is PyCharm. And here you can see this is the PyCharm application by JetBrains, and from here you can also see the installation date as well. Now to uninstall the PyCharm application, you need to click onto these three horizontal dots over the right hand side of the PyCharm application. So simply click onto these three dots and you will see this uninstall option. So simply click onto this uninstall option and it will give you a warning which says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So simply click onto this uninstall button in order to proceed. And once you will do this, the uninstallation process will begin and you might need to click yes if a dialog box appears, and just wait for the uninstallation process to start. And here you can see this dialog box that says PyCharm will be uninstalled from the following folder. Please confirm if you would like to delete the cache and settings. So if you want to delete the cache and settings of the PyCharm application, you need to tick both of these options. And then there is also an option to share the uninstall feedback if you want. Then once you are done with this, simply click onto this uninstall button again, and here you can see that the uninstallation process for the PyCharm has successfully started. If you want to see the details of the uninstallation, you can click onto this show details button and it will list out all of the files that are currently being deleted in order to delete the PyCharm application from your Windows computer. And this step will remove all the instances of PyCharm which are present in your Windows 11 system. So now let us wait for the uninstallation process to finish. And here you can see that the installation has been successfully completed, and in the background you can notice that the PyCharm application has been successfully removed from the list. So simply close the dialog box, and here you can see that the PyCharm application is no longer to be seen in the list. So that's how easily you can uninstall the PyCharm application from your Windows 11 computer. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.